Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn how to create stunning artistic renderings using ChatGPT's image generating features. But before we dive in, if you ever need more prompts to help you out, check out the pinned comment below for a quick guide. Anyway, let's get started. Choosing the artistic style for your rendering will shape the entire look and feel of your image. Whether you want something dreamy like surrealism, soft and light like impressionism, or bold and vibrant like fauvism, the style will define the mood of your creation. Today, I'm feeling inspired by the surrealist works of Salvador Dalí. Think melting clocks and dreamlike landscapes. So let's craft a prompt that captures the essence. So let's go down here in the input box, and here's what I come up with the prompt right here. See, just like I stated. Now let's hit send and see what ChatGPT comes up with. This should be interesting. Now, the image processing might take a while. Well, it might take a bit earlier than you'd expect. So, yeah, as you can see right here, look at how the image captures the essence of Dali's realism, those melting clocks. You can see there's the main element right there from Salvador Dali's artwork. There's the vivid colors. It's all here. This style really transforms a simple landscape into something extraordinary, full of dream-like quality that is. This is the power of choosing the right artistic style. Pretty impressive, huh? Now that we've nailed down our artistic style, let's take it up a notch and adding some unique elements. Let's go with the different image that we're going to generate. This is where your creativity really gets to shine. Think about what will make your image truly one of a kind. For example, I want to create something abstract and a bit cosmic. So I'm thinking about a portrait that's not just any portrait, but one where the hair flows like vibrant, swirling galaxies against a deep, dark background. Sounds cool, right? So here's the prompt that I put together. Here we go. See? Now let's send it and see what ChatGPT comes up with. Here. So we're asking for an abstract portrait of a woman with, just like I stated, my apologies for that, with the details earlier, galaxy hair. And here it is. So this should give us a visual right here that really stands out. So here's the result right here. Look at how those swirly galaxies here create an otherworldly vibe, making this portrait not only just unique, but captivating. This is the kind of detail that can take your artwork from good to unforgettable. See? Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, guys. Alright, we're almost there. Now it's time to focus on this particular element that really bring it to life. We're talking about sensory details. These are what take your image from great to extraordinary. Now let's work on enhancing, for example, a new image that we have to come up in mind, like a simple forest scene. Imagine it at dawn with soft rays of sunlight filtering through misty trees. Sounds peaceful, right? Now we're going to focus on these sensory details to create a serene and tranquil mood. Now here is the prompt that I come up with right here. As you can see all the details that I just stated, and additional further details that ChatGPT would understand. There we go. Now let's see how ChatGPT interpret this. Let's go. And let's see. This might take a while or a short moment for the process. And then here we go. Here's the result right here. Look at how the mist and sunlight play together, creating an atmosphere that's calm and inviting. This is exactly what I meant by enhancing with sensory details. It draws you into the scene and makes it even feel as it's almost real. And there you have it. I hope this video has sparked your creativity and given you the confidence to start crafting your own masterpieces. See you in the next video.